I feel like these hauls that I have lined up here are holding me back. That they're holding me back from making more jewelry videos for you. So today I'm going to go through these hauls, and instead of showing them as individual hauls, I'm going to separate the jewelry by color, organize the jewelry in these shoe boxes by color. Okay, and then when I want to make something and I have a color in mind, I can just go to the shoebox and pull out the color scheme that I want to work with, probably be more than one color, and make some jewelry and turn it into a video. I'm just so behind. I think this will help a lot, and I'll still leave the price tag on here to show you what I paid. Instead of going through my individual receipts and the total and trying to challenge myself to whatever I picked up that day. I tell you, typically what I pick up on any given day has no relationship to each other. The pieces have no relationship to each other. They're just random pieces, and it takes me a lot longer to make the video. So that's what I'm doing today. I am organizing my hauls by color and putting them in here. It took me about 4 hours to go through all of the thrifted jewelry that I have. Not all of it was in these little containers. I found some in my closet here. So it's now organized. The first 4 rows are jewelry to upcycle. This is other vintage jewelry that I started a while back for Pierce earrings, signed, Pierce unsigned, craft, Avon signed, some things to research. So this I had done quite some time ago. But over here I have, sorry about the glare. Let me try to turn the light off. I think I still have glare, but aqua, blue, purple, black, brown, green, orange, yellow, pink and red, gold tone, silver tone and gray, and white neutral. And then I started a container of bracelets to upcycle, and I have one for shell and one for wood. I had already started other containers, but I was able to condense them down into the shoebox size. I'm so excited about organizing it to a finer detail so that it will be easier for me to just figure out what color I want to work with and upcycle some jewelry to new jewelry for you. So pretty excited about it. Got it done. In addition to my shoe boxes, I still have these drawers with bags of beads from necklaces and jewelry that I've already taken apart. You know, these are organized by color too. Well, that's my seed beads. But I have blue over here and purple, etc., etc. So I still have all of this. And I made a video before about my organization of my new beads and stones. I do have a couple organizers with some vintage in it, but not very much. But I have all these beads that are behind me when I'm working if I need anything. So yeah, pretty happy. This tote is full of jewelry that I want to list, and this tote is beads and components for a video that I'm working on. And these are to help soften the sound from the road.